Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To clear cache in Google Chrome, go to your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner, and here you will find an option delete browsing data. Click on delete browsing data. A pop-up menu will be opened, and here you will find two options, one basic and another one is advanced. In advanced you can choose many options to delete, and here you can select browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cache, images and files, and passwords and other sign-in data, auto-filled form data, site data and hosted app data. If you want, you can select all from here. I'm going to basic. Here you can delete the browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cache images and files, and free up 38.9 MB. Now click on delete data, and now cache on Google Chrome is cleared. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.